Mylio Photos makes it easy for you to make your photos look their best. It includes a full range of editing tools and also some helpful presets to make your photos look great. I'm going to start by opening up the Edit panel, and we're just going to use a couple of different presets on this image to improve the scan photo. If you look at it right now, the color cast is a little bit off and it's a bit dark, and we can very quickly improve that. I'm going to choose the AutoColor preset. That's going to do a very fast color correction and remove the color cast. Now I'm going to choose AutoEnhance, which works primarily with the exposure. It brings up some of those shadows, makes those colors pop, and we have a photo that now with 2 clicks looks much, much better. Let's take a look at the before and after. Here's the before, and here's the after. Let's take a look at one more photo and see what these tools can do. Again, here's another image that's pretty dark, and it has a bit of a color cast because it was captured underwater. Let's start with AutoColor. And you'll see that brightens the colors quite a lot and brought out some more natural hues. I'm going to also choose AutoEnhance, and that's going to brighten things up, open up those shadows, and make this image that much more appealing. If you feel like a picture needs a little bit more help, you can always jump down into the editing tools and refine these results a little bit more. We can pull that exposure up a little bit more, add a little bit of clarity, and maybe pull down on the highlights to darken the brightest areas and finish off the image. Mylio Photos makes it very simple to make your images look great.